No, we
you will not,
Well, the
you
police,
you
yes.
personally will definitely not keep all these things, money and this arms and all these things in your house. It is very true. Somebody who is related to the elections or something, this is the reason what prompted the police.
Mysteriously, my lord, something very similar was done in his Nondigram party office and in his Nondigram office and residence, my lord. There, my lord, there are arms, bombs, and liquid cash amount which is stored at the house of such and such to create disturbance during the poll day. Prompted the petitioner to knock the doors of justice is, my lord, the mode and manner in which, my lord, the state police has been weaponized, my lord, by the, my lord, ruling political dispensation to act, my lord, as a cadre of, my lord, the ruling dispensation for influencing the elections, my lord. Now, my lord, the leader of the opposition, my lord, in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly is before your...
Has everybody been served?
Yes, yes, yes. This has started since the past 7-8 days, my lord, that the state police is, my lord, a huge, my lord, contingent of police personnel, along with them people in civil dress, my lord, civil uniforms. They are barging inside the houses of, my lord, the various leaders, my lord, belonging to the opposition party, without any rhyme or reason, without disclosing anything, the purpose, whether there is any search warrant or not, my lord. Now, insofar as the leader of the opposition is concerned, the petitioner herein is, now here what happened is, my lord, on the 20th of May, now suddenly at the Kolaghat office, my lord, it's a personal office come residence, my lord, where he stays, my lord. Now there was a huge contingent of, my lord, people suddenly who rushed in. They refused to disclose any reason. They tried to, my lord, barge inside, my lord, the premises, and some inside, in fact, got inside the premises. So then, my lord, it was pointed out that this is not the way to deal with it because the law of the land provides otherwise. And we were suspecting that what they are doing is they're now getting inside the premises, not letting anyone in. They're planting funds or something, and thereafter implicating them in false cases. Now, tomorrow is the date, my lord, which is fixed for the elections, my lord. We sought for leave, my lord, on Wednesday. Yesterday being a holiday, but today the matter was fixed by the Honorable Single Judge, my lord. We served the petition and we knew what was coming because something very similar was also practiced in the Nondigram case, my lord. Now what happens is, my lord, as a shield, in fact, I'm grateful to the police administration, my lord. Now they have, my lord, registered an FIR. My lord, the FIR has been introduced by way of the supplementary affidavit, my lord. This is exactly what, my lord, we were presuming. That one Sheikh Mukhtar Ali informed the Circle Inspector Tomluk office that, my lord, there are arms, bombs, and liquid cash amount which is stored at the house of such and such to create disturbance during the poll day. Now, this is the house, my lord, which has been taken in rent, my lord. I informed the matter to the BDO Kolaghat and he was requested to send the FST team at that place to take necessary action. My lord, may kindly mark this FST team, my lord. They are in themselves admitting, my lord, that it is the FST team, that is the flying squad team, my lord, under the ECI. Meanwhile, considering the gravity of the complaint, I also left for the spot. After that, I informed the matter to my superior officers and requested for officers and force from headquarters. After getting reinforcement myself with the police PS officers and force reached near the house of Gopinath Gorai at such and such and waited there for FST team. My lord marks it again for a reasonable period of time. A delay might have caused shifting of arms, bombs, and liquid cash. Myself, along with force, proceeded to search that house at about 6:25 hours. My lord may kindly mark this as well. After reaching there, I requested the present two members inside the house to cooperate with the search. I also requested the local available persons to become independent witnesses, but they denied. My lord may also make a note of this, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, 2-3 lines thereafter, a nil seizure list was prepared as nothing objectionable could be located due to continuous resistance from the agitators. And thereafter, my lord, they registered the suo motu FIR. My lord, the incident happened as per them, my lord, at 6:25 hours. Now, if my lord kindly takes the FIR form, they are specifying the time period, page 7, my lord. That is again serial number 3, time period, 17 hours to 17 hours, that is 5 p.m. But the recce was being done from around 5 o'clock. There were persons, my lord, in plain clothes, my lord, who were doing a recce, my lord. কটার সময় তারপরে পুরোটা গ্যাদার করলো? 5:45 the entire contingent gathered who were doing to and fro in front of the house. The OC came and they rushed straight inside.
But the flying squad did not come.
There is no mention in the letter of complaint also.
It has been mentioned
No,
that
no.
they did not come, and that is the reason.
No,
they
they said
entered.
that, yes, what they said that considering the delay, কোথায় গেল আমার? Supplement? Yes, he says a delay might have caused shifting of arms, bombs, and liquid cash. Myself, along with force, proceeded to search the house at about 18:25 hours. When neither the SST was informed, and there is no mention about whether the flying squad arrived or not. There was no flying squad, nothing. This is nothing but an afterthought, my lord. This is nothing but an afterthought. In Nondigram incident also, my lord. But a similar incident happened thereafter, my lord. There was a false case similarly registered, my lord. Just with the view, my lord, that to disturb the elections. These keep on happening, my lord. Now, the other matter also, item number 7, my lord. That is also same, my lord. That is in respect of Ghatal, my lord. There also, my lord, we had taken leave, my lord, citing that the police has surrounded my house since last night and they are trying to barge inside. They barged inside initially, thereafter, but they went away and they were waiting outside my house that if you come out, I'll arrest you. The Honorable Court granted leave. Yesterday, my lord, we served the petition at 8:25 a.m. But at 10:30, my lord, the petitioner came out of his house in item number 7, my lord. He was immediately taken into custody. He is the General Secretary, my lord, of the BJP in that particular district. So, no action should be undertaken, my lord, on the basis of this false FIR, my lord. This FIR has no legs to stand upon, my lord, at least till the 2 days after the date of reopening, my lord, so that they can also come up with a report, my lord. I will not be unreasonable and making unreasonable
Very
prayers,
well,
my lord.
yes.
Of your lordship's brief, the order passed by Justice Mantha, which has been mentioned again and again by my learned friend, saying that this is the Nondigram case, this is a similar case, etc. But please see the first paragraph, what the matter relates to. The writ petitioner complains, your lordship has got the page 53.
Yes, yes.
The writ petitioner complains of abuse of state and police machinery by the ruling dispensation in registering 6 FIRs against him in 4 different stations. Now, so far as this particular case is concerned, your lordship will find that here, the direction which was given, if your lordship will find at page 71,
The house.
if it is a party office, then, my lord, there would be something to demonstrate that it is a party office.
What prompted y'all
Yes, my lord.
by just getting a complaint to go to that place without even inquiring whether this is a party office, whether this is somebody's
No,
personal house or something?
No, we
You will not,
my lord, the police,
you
yes.
personally will definitely not keep all these things, money and this arms and all these things in your house. It is very true. Somebody who is related to the elections or something, this is the reason what prompted the police.
Miscreants,
Something.
people who want to create trouble.
Yes, the police must have got information. This is the reason.
It says so
It
that
is
we
so,
got
right.
received information,
Right.
we acted immediately.
So the police also knows that this is the place which is being used as the
not the
political
party office.
parties.
Not
May not
for
be the party
not
office.
for
He
a
says
moment,
it's
not for a moment
residence.
is the police associating this place and the occurrences or the charges with any party. Nowhere your lordship will find any party's association, the writ petitioners association being mentioned at all. Namla,
I
please.
wish the police had got information with regard to any information with regard to the ruling party's dispensation and the police going to raid it. How many instances are there?
I cannot answer.
Hardly any.
I cannot answer questions which are not on record, but what I can answer from the record, please have a look at the affidavit portion once to indulge me, Your lordship was thinking of paragraph 11. The Chartered High Court is being beseeched to believe on such a bland statement.
Nobody is believing. This is at a very primary, preliminary stage where the court is not believing or disbelieving anything.
At the primary stage, what is on record? What is on record is that information was received with regard to accumulation of arms, cash, armaments in a particular house.
And the report is nil report. Caesar is nil.
Yes, why it is there, it is also mentioned in the case diary. The records show that a request was made to the flying squad due to apprehension of delay causing removal of this. They went there. They faced resistance. They could not enter several of the rooms.
Please come. Petition. challenging the action of the state police in conducting illegal raid at the office and residence at his office and residence in Kolaghat. The petitioner has been vehemently opposed by the state respondents. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioner does not have the locus to move the instant writ petition. Stop. The place which was raided by the police neither belongs to the petitioner nor there is any document to show that the petitioner is any way connected to the said place. Stop. As the matter is at a very preliminary stage and the election is due to be held tomorrow, accordingly, as an interim measure and specially relying upon the directions passed in the matter of the petitioner filed earlier before this court, the court is inclined to restrain the police from proceeding further with the FIR that has been lodged till 17th of June 2024. Stop. Next. In the event there is any urgency in taking any steps in the aid of the election being conducted in a peaceful manner, then the state may approach the court for obtaining leave for taking any further step against the petitioner. Stop.
Your Lordship has recorded in aid of election. I think it should be in aid of investigation
The election.
at
Not-
the end.
It is only so that the election can be conducted peacefully. Thereafter, you are the matter will